G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got a quick unboxing for you. These puppies have just arrived on my front door. They're the Shokz OpenDots One. So the brand new 2025 entry from the Shokz earbud range. And I'm going to take you through what's in the box. Let's go. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos on the Shokz range, they do some pretty cool stuff. A lot of active earbuds, stuff that's really good. They've even got this stuff you can use while you're swimming, so you can listen to music while you're swimming. That's, I think, really cool. They've got open fit, they've got stuff that's good for jogging, sports, that kind of thing. And now they've got this OpenDots One. So I'm quite interested to see how this fits into the range and what experience it's going to offer. And part of the, I guess, selling point with these is they've done a full redesign of the way that the ear works, like the clip and how it stays in your ear, as well as offering, plenty of other little advancements as well. But yeah, that's going to be the big thing, is the redesign of the actual shape of these earbuds and how that's going to work for you and me and general consumers. So let's see what's on offer. Okay, so we've got, it's obviously just earbuds. It's quite a small little box. There's no wasted packaging. Little nice easy open like that. Sort of feels like recycled cardboard. That's what it feels like. Doesn't feel very plasticky. So there's that. All right, let's have a look inside. Yeah, it feels like almost like an egg carton, which is good. Like everyone's doing that nowadays, which is good. It's great. That's what you got inside the box. So not a whole lot of fanfare. All right, we've got the case here, which is egg-shaped, like so. We'll open that up in a second. We'll put that there for now. Open this up. What have we got inside here? So at the back, we've got a links through to the app. No QR code though, which is curious. What have we got here? Warranty card. So there's a 2-year warranty on these, I believe. Yeah, 2-year warranty on the Shokz OpenDots One. And little kind of manual in here. Very little, very small in terms of its footprint. Right, that's it. Just the 2 sheets. It's earbuds. I guess it's not awfully complicated, but yeah, it just takes you through the controls and what you need to do on each of those on the inside there, and information about the case. All right. And this is the obligatory fine print. Okay, no charging cables yet. That's one little piece still in here. Let's peel that off. Poke that through. And then we've got the USB-C cable, which is, wow, that's small. Look at that. That's got to be 20 centimeters. I think Shokz, you've just broken my record for the shortest ever USB-C cable. It's really thin too. Does not feel like a very premium cable. And obviously the length is going to be extremely restrictive for where you can charge that. If you're trying to imagine that kind of in your little case and then trying to get up to a wall socket, it's going to be full stretch just on a kitchen bench for my house anyway. So, you've probably got stacks of USB-C cables, but these are getting shorter and shorter, and my desk isn't getting smaller and smaller, I'll tell you. All right, so let's look in the big ticket, which is inside here. Now the case holds up to 40 hours of battery life, and you're gonna get 10 hours outside the case. So 10 hours when you use it, and then 40 total because this holds a charge itself, the actual case. So pretty standard, I guess. 10 hours is obviously gonna get you through most days, unless you're doing some serious transiting. Now on top of that, it's IP54 rated, I think. So solid, but not fantastic, but solid. And yeah, it's Dolby certified. All right, let's have a look inside. Wow, it's very interesting the way it fits in there, isn't it? So it's just like, you know what it actually looks like? Over ears, 2 over ears. Like, okay. Oh, wow, look at that. Was not expecting that. Okay, so there we go. That's what the earbuds look like. So the case itself doesn't go very deep. I don't know if you can see that in there. So it's very shallow, and is it magnetized? Yeah, it's just magnetized, so it's really easy to get back in there. Look at that. Go on, you can do it. And I did do it. Yeah, okay, look at that. So yeah, that's great. That's a nice design. The case itself is very smooth. It's got a matte finish on the bottom half and a gloss on the top, which it makes it easier to basically work out which end you need to grab when you want to Pac-Man it. Okay, and then it's just, yeah, just about trying these out. So that's a really interesting design. So these are 6.5 grams, the buds. So really, really light. It feels a little bit heavier than, I guess, your standard earbud. It's got a really solid end here. So this has got a lot of weight in it, which might work to counterbalance. And then I've got to try and work out how it's supposed to sit in your ear. So I'll do that at a different time because I'm bound to get it wrong. Oh, it's making sounds at me already. Anyway, that's going to be part of the review. So keep an eye on the channel, and we're going to go deeper into these and the experience that they offer, and who they're right for, and whether or not they deliver on the promise for the target audience. That's going to be part of the review experience. Other than to say how this goes in my ear isn't instantly obvious, but I'm really curious by the design. Very, very different from the previous Shokz that I've used anyway. But that is not necessarily a bad thing. That is, it's always cool to see something new. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, that's a quick unboxing of the Shokz OpenDots One, the new earbuds. This is coming out, I don't know when the actual release date is, but it's July 2025 right now, so it's coming out around now. I'll put it in the comments below, the exact release date. And yeah, like I said, keep an eye on the channel. Going to be doing a review of these and passing on my thoughts very, very soon. But anyway, I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the rest of my videos, and until next time, I'll see you later.